The for Citroen C4 I Restyling C-Quatre front bumper headlight headlamp assembly is an essential upgrade for owners of the 2008 to 2014 Citroen C4 models. This product seamlessly combines functionality and aesthetic appeal, making it an excellent choice for enhancing your vehicle's overall look and performance. One of the standout features of this headlamp assembly is its precision engineering, designed specifically for the Citroen C4 I Restyling. This tailored design ensures a perfect fit, making installation straightforward and hassle-free. Users will appreciate the clear and bright illumination provided by the high-quality lenses, which enhance visibility during night driving and inclement weather conditions. Durability is another significant advantage of this headlight assembly. Crafted with robust materials, it is built to withstand the rigors of everyday use while maintaining its clarity and performance over time. This makes it a reliable option for those looking to invest in long-lasting automotive lighting solutions.